Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install YouTube app in Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up any browser and search for YouTube. Press enter. Just need to select the youtube.com site. After entering youtube.com, select this three dot icon on the right and scroll down and select save and share. On left side, you just need to select install YouTube. Select install option and YouTube app has been installed, guys. Now just close off here. Now the app is in desktop. Just double click on it to open it and it will be directly opened to the YouTube. And that's how you install YouTube app in Windows 11. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.